Hi everyone. In this issue we will talk about the cool cars which was produced in the 70s of the previous century. Great design for its time. Volkswagen Beetle is a light vehicle, produced from 1938 to 2003. It is the most mass-manufactured car in history, made without revision of the basic design. A total of 21,529,464 cars were produced. In 1971, along with the standard Beetle, appeared Type 1 with a suspension MacPherson and modernized, slightly elongated in-front body. In Europe it was sold as VW 1302 and VW 1303, but people called it the Super Beetle. The extended nose allowed to double the trunk. 5 years later, the production of the Super Beetle sedan was stopped, and only the standard sedan and the standard convertible models remained on sale. Would you like to travel in this car? Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell and share the video with your friends. See you next time.